So we're entering the Jensen Fish Port. So we just changed into the boots area. So before you enter the fish port, you have to change your shoes. So we're entering right now. Yun yung mga visitors from Manila. No? So they're wearing boots area. Ayan na. Ikaw talaga yung kan ba? Ikaw talaga yung compliant. Ito mga kasamahan natin hindi nag-comply. You have to yan, sanitize everything. Yan. Okay.
Nabasa ko po yung parang
So, kaya nga naka-comply eh. Yan. So we're entering the fish port, the first part ng fish show. Yan. So they have they're classifying it as to you can buy locally. Yan na.
You see the color?
Yan.
Picture na kami yung mga naka-attract mo.
Unsa na siya? Class A na siya? Ana? Hindi, unsang class? Ha? Ah, local lang ni siya? Oh.
Mana nagdili sir?
Biyawa no?
Mga class A ito, wala na. Kuha na nila dito.
Ang kuan ang class kuan na abroad na.
Kasi bawal na.
So they're saying this is local for the local market, class B. So you have the expert classifier saying it's for the local market. We can go there, no? Side area. Oh. So this is it, no? Where the boats they unload it here. Kani siya nga nagiputlan man nagikog. Kanang kuan diha nga nakaputi ikog. Unsa man na siya? Na putol na iyang kuan, tuna tail. Ah, taas kayo? Ah, okay.
They cut it up too long for the packaging.
Yan. So we're inside Jensen Fish Port. We have a visitor from Cambodia. This one, very nice. You can take very good shots here. And they're classifying it, no? They have classifiers. Ano siya? So this is how they classify yung tuna, no? They use yung parang stick. Ano na siyang class? Parang anong class ng isda? Class?
Ano na palang?
Local lang?
Dili. Planta lang yung
Ah, okay.
class A sa planta.
Oh. Yung classification nyo. This is how they can pagka-classify. Saan siya? Class A? Class B? B na, no? Okay. This, yung system of classification, ayan, no? Titingnan niya. He said this is class B, no?